Here's the sound.
Power. Press forward, reverse, or lift lever down. Press forward, reverse, or lift lever down. Shutting down.
If you want to know what the second one said, here's what it actually said.
Press forward, reverse, or tilt lever down. Shutting down.
Yep. First it was the bulldozer, and then it was combined with the mega dump truck. If you want to know where the bulldozer came from, it was actually the 2007 version of heavy duty workers. The dump truck is actually also, I think, 2006 or 2007, and I have to find out what the video is. And this one is the mega version. And did you know that there's actually a bulldozer version? Toy and Game Zone, did you know that there's actually a bulldozer variant of this? If you never knew it, the bulldozer version, I think it's the biggest, but you never knew this, but I have a feeling that it also says cat to the max, but I know that the dump truck version actually says that, and I'm talking about the mega version. I know that the mega dump truck says cat to the max, and it doesn't play my favorite song, rather it plays the song from Baja Racer and the Revan Race Lamborghini Gallardo. Yeah, that's pretty much what I know.
Press forward, reverse, or tilt lever down. Shutting down.
This is actually pretty weird because the other version of the dump truck, which is the heavy duty worker, you cannot even understand what it says because of the rumbling sound. This bulldozer, the rumbling mechanism and everything in there was broken in a video. So this is actually now understandable.
Power.
It says Caterpillar powered, but this is the beginning of it, but if you hear the second part, it's mixed up.
Reverse, or lift lever down. Press forward, reverse, or lift lever down. Shutting down.
So that's what it said.